Hello, my name is Nicole Stevens, and I am a Master of Public Health student at Purdue University. I present to you today a persuasive letter that is intended for Mr. Daniel Cardenas, the Director of Community Development in the City Council of Pleasant Grove, Utah. I invite you for a moment to imagine a place where many hands, diverse in age, color, and background, dig deeply in the soil and work together to sow the seeds of change. This is the transformative power of a community garden, where growth extends beyond the boundaries of its neat rows. My call to action to the city of Pleasant Grove is to institute a large community garden for the benefit of its residents. I argue that a garden has the potential to improve several issues facing our citizens, including obesity, food insecurity, and a lack of social connectedness. Obesity is a growing concern worldwide, and Pleasant Grove is no exception, with an estimated obesity rate of more than 64%, according to the Public Health Indicator-Based Information System, or IBIS. Community gardens may be one way to combat obesity, since they encourage physical activity and increased consumption of fresh produce. Studies by Mohammed et al. 2018 and Zik et al. 2013 show that both adults and children who participate in community gardening have lower body mass indices, a marker for obesity, and report greater consumption of fruits and vegetables than their non-gardening peers. A community garden in Pleasant Grove may be a great way to encourage healthy habits and reduce obesity. Food insecurity is also a concern for Pleasant Grove residents. An estimated 8.5% of residents regularly experience food insecurity, and about 41% live below the poverty line, according to the nonprofit website Feeding America. Studies by Furness et al. 2018 and Berg et al. 2023 in rural communities similar to Pleasant Grove show that community gardens decreased residents' food insecurity by increasing access to fresh produce. A community garden may offer many avenues to fight food insecurity, including offering free or reduced cost produce at the garden itself, distributing fresh produce through food banks, farmers markets, church or community groups, schools and libraries, and even coordinating with home meal delivery services. Finally, community gardens may help improve social connectedness, which may be protective for those at risk for mental health issues. Gardens can become social centers of an area, promoting interaction and relationship building, both within families and across boundaries of race, gender, and age. This has been demonstrated in Glover, 2021, Raskin et al. 2021, and many others. The social connectedness generated from working in a community garden is strongly correlated with resilience and well-being, both very positive aspects of a community's health. The persuasive letter addresses several concerns that might be raised by City Council members on this proposal. First, finding land for the garden project. Some possible solutions may be to use undeveloped land already owned by the city and form a garden to beautify the area, or possibly seek donations of land from private citizens or foundations who wish to support public health efforts. A garden may be established on the grounds of schools, city offices, libraries, or public parks. Another concern may involve cost of setting up and maintaining a garden. To address this, the city may consider 1. Earmarking any available funds already on the city budget for beautification and development. 2. Seeking national, state, or local grants. 3. Proposing a small rise in sales or property tax, subject to citizen vote, to fund the garden. 4. Selling extra produce from the garden to perpetuate gardening activities. 5. soliciting citizen donations. And 6, implementing a seed-saving program to provide seeds for future plantings, thus reducing costs. A final concern may be lack of administrative or popular support for a community garden. This may be addressed by meeting with stakeholders in administration, government, and community to explain goals and benefits of a community garden. Project organizers could work with advocates in the City Council to ensure the project is driven forward. Community liaisons could take on publicity, education, fundraising, organization, and citizen mobilization. In conclusion, this persuasive letter is intended to discuss the importance of a community garden, demonstrate its efficacy from the literature, and call the Pleasant Grove City to action in establishing a community garden for its residents. A community garden may help combat important health issues facing the town, including obesity, food insecurity, and a lack of social connectedness. A community garden is a public health intervention that has the potential to help participants get back to nature, form healthy habits, and develop resilience while simultaneously beautifying and connecting the town. I strongly urge Pleasant Grove City to consider implementing a community garden that will benefit residents now and potentially for generations to come. A list of references mentioned in this presentation is available in the transcript. Thank you so much for your attention today.